Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this new seat I got for my Interceptor 650. It's made by Bonvent, and this is what they call their comfort seat. Overall, the construction is pretty good, and when I first got the seat I wasn't sure about it, but over the last few weeks it's grown on me and I actually really like the way it looks. If you put the seats side by side, you can see they're drastically different when it comes to shape. The new seat is pretty much flat across its surface, and that seems to distribute the weight of the rider a bit better. The old seat has an arch to it, so it's higher in the middle than it is on the sides, and that can make the inside of your legs start to hurt if you've been riding the bike for a while. The longest I've ridden the bike with the new seat is about 5 hours, and I didn't have any pain in my legs or anywhere else at all. Also, the new seat is a lot firmer, which seems to hold the weight of the rider better. The old seat is soft and it kind of forms to the rider's weight. And again, the new seat is pretty much flat from front to back, where the old seat is high in the back and it slopes down towards the front. So you don't seem to slide towards the tank as much with the new seat. If we turn the seats over, you can see that the construction of the stock seat is actually a lot better than the Bonvent seat. There's a lot of reinforcement and rubber dampers that the Bonvent seat doesn't have. I didn't have any problems mounting the seat. It actually fits pretty much perfectly. The front of the seat cuts back more than the original seat, and I think that's meant to match up with the tank cover that Bonvent offers, but I really don't even notice it that much anymore. I've got something a little extra I thought I'd show you. I ended up getting the high performance camshaft from SNS. It finally came in. I got the connecting rods from SNS, they're forged H-beams, and I got the high compression pistons from SNS too. I had to order about 7 special tools that you need to break the engine down, and they're coming from the UK, so I need to check on them and see when they'll be here. But hopefully I'll be able to start working on the engine pretty soon. I also got a fork upgrade kit and these coilovers from YSS.